Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. On this channel, we can learn various electrical design softwares like Etap, Dig Silent Power Factory, Dialux Evo, PVSys, Autocad, and more. In addition to software tutorials, we can also provide technical information related to electrical design engineering. Today is our lecture number 4 of our free course on Dialux Evo. In this lecture, we will discuss about the interface of Dialux Evo. This is the interface of Dialux Evo. When we double click on the Dialux Evo icon, you will get this screen. This is the create new project section. In this section, the first subsection of this section is outdoor and building planning. That is the outdoor and building planning section. This section allows us to design complete lighting solution for both outdoor spaces and indoor spaces such as streets, parks, parking lots, stadiums, and more. We can also add ground textures like grass, concrete, and other surfaces. Additionally, elements like roads, pathways, streets, benches, trees, and fences can be incorporated to create a realistic outdoor environment. For buildings, we can add floors, rooms, doors, and windows to enhance the design. The another section is import plan. The import plan section allows us to import DWG, DXF, JPG, and or PNG files as a reference for constructing our building or outdoor layout. Then third section is import section, import IFC section. We can import IFC, that is the industrial foundation classes files, which enable us to use 3D building structures including walls, rooms, and other architecture elements as reference in our lighting design. The fourth one is the room planning section. In the room planning section, we can use to design indoor spaces by defining walls, ceilings, floors, and roof properties. Once these elements are set, we can then proceed to add lighting solutions accordingly. Then the fifth section is the street lighting. The street lighting section helps us to create and analyze roadway lighting based on international standards such as EN 13201, IES, CIE. Here we can also define parameters such as road width, number of lanes, land width, road surface type. This ensures compliance with proper roadway lighting requirements. In the next lecture, we will start an in-depth discussion on the outdoor and building planning section. We will demonstrate how to use various tools to create a complete outdoor and indoor lighting design. Thank you.